Hi friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts. And I bought this little pumpkin sign from the Dollar Tree. I took off the little leaf part and I just sanded that down. I'm going to take off the little string that's attached to it. And I'm going to try something. I bought a package of this potpourri. This is called lemon zest and thyme, and it's really got a pretty nice smell to it. So I'm going to take my pumpkin. I'm going to cover the front side with this paper that I had bought quite some time ago at the Dollar Tree, and it's sticky, and I'm going to cover this front part with my paper. I'm going to paint the back orange, and then I'm going to use my potpourri and some wood glue, and I'm going to glue all my potpourri down on here, and I'm going to see what that's going to look like. So let's get started. So I have the back part stuck on now. So that's what that looks like. So that's just to give the back a nice finish to the project. And then I've painted my pumpkin orange on the front and kind of a brownie green for the, this is all going to be covered with all of this potpourri. So this doesn't have to be perfect. I just wanted to give it a bit of a color in case some of this didn't cover completely. So we'll let this dry, and then I'm going to use my wood glue for this project. I think you could probably use hot glue, but I'm just going to try wood glue and see if this might hold it better to this little pumpkin board. So I'll carry on now and I'll let this dry and I'll be back. So this is what it's looking like so far. This is going to be something different, isn't it? Anyway, I'll just continue and carry on, and the wood glue is going to have to dry, and when it dries, it will dry clear. So here it is. I've got it all completed, and I used the whole package of this, and it was like a 5-ounce package, and I used it all except for some of these exceptionally large pieces, but I probably could have broken those up and used those too. But anyway, so I think that turned out really cute and just something a little different. So I'm sitting it in one of these little stands that you also get at the Dollar Tree, and I thought that would work to hold it up. Now I've just made a couple of little bows just with some ribbon, and I think I'll just hot glue that on in the corner there and maybe put the little green one on top, and that will be completion. So there we have it. So I hope you give this a try, and if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. That helps my channel to grow. Please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and always remember to be kind. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.